Have you ever want to make chords that sound like this? Then this is the perfect video for you. I was always fascinated by the sounds of some clean chord drops, you know, like the songs like We from Mesto and Martin Garrix, One More Chance, Retrovision, Without You from Brooks and Julian Jordan, or Home from Martin Garrix, you know, those type of drops. So today I'm gonna show you how to make the most powerful chord sound design in FL Studio Mobile. Let's jump right into it. I have this nice chord progression. It sounds like this. Just a simple chord progression. I used the piano for this, but we're gonna remove that and we're gonna replace it with a supersaw. Then you just only get a saw wave, and that doesn't sound right. So what I did is I sound designed myself. I made an own preset. It's called the Martin Garrix signature sound. And it sounds like this. So I think I'm just give the preset linked in the description, I guess, because I not want to sound design it again, because I would make mistakes and I don't like mistakes. So I'm not gonna go through the whole process of this sound. It's just a cool sound. It's linked in the description. You can download it for free. What I usually do is I layer it with a direct wave, with a one shot. I once downloaded from the Waverer, as always. Let's see where I put it. Yes, it sounds like this. It's a little saw with some white noise and with a lot of high end, and cut it out the low frequency, very low frequency cuts. You can only hear the top frequencies with the white noise. The sound alone sounds like this. And then when I add the Martin Garrix signature sound in, see the difference without? Just gives a little bit of punch. Grab an EQ. I always do this. I cut out the low frequencies and like that, and I boost the high frequencies like that. And what I do is a little bit of stereoizer to make it sound more stereo. Haha. So it gives more wider sound. Like that. And then I add a little bit of distortion. I put it on clip and around 25. It just gives more power. Like that. But if you want it to make it sound more wide, you can always choose to detune the main sound. Like that. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the bass. These are just the chords, but it's the mix with the bass. It's just, it gives more power. I'm gonna explain it right here. You're gonna click on direct wave again, and then what my favorite crunchy bass is right here at synth bass, and then Poison Dirty Saw. Okay, so this is what the bass sounds like. First thing, I'm gonna EQ this again. EQing is everything, guys. It's just EQing, right frequencies, boom, you're good. What I do with this bass is I'm gonna make this a top bass, so I'm gonna remove all the low end. And the same with the chords. I'm gonna boost the high frequencies. EQing done. Then we're gonna distort the crap out of it. Okay, wait. We're gonna set this on tube. gonna set it on soft and around about 20, I guess. Then we're just gonna add the sub bass. I just use this, shit down 12 semitones. Just the bass, and then I'm gonna distort it a little bit. Not too much. Okay, that sounds very nice. So now I'm just gonna add sidechain. This is what it sounds like with sidechain. Pretty cool already. I just miss some more crunch, you know. We like crunch. It's crunchy out here. What I like to do is to add more white noise to the chord. Why? I don't know, but it sounds super cool. So I'm just gonna make a mini synth, and what mini synth does is you can set the oscillator on pulse and put up the noise, and you just get noise. Doesn't matter where, it doesn't pitch up or anything, it's just noise. Pretty cool. So it's still a little bit flat, so I'm just gonna boost the high frequencies. Gotta put it on the sidechain channel, and I'm gonna copy the chords. Sounds better already. So this is without the white noise. And this is with. This is very important actually, white noise, because if you hear the songs like Without You or We, you always have that white noise going so strong and so powerful. And I don't do this normally, but you can also add distortion, I guess. Oh, that's the limiter. You can also add distortion to it to give, oh, that's awful, to give it more power. But how does it sound? No, that's not for me. And just twist the volume until you're happy. The top bass we have here already has some white noise, I know, but you can't have enough white noise, so we're just having fun with white noise. So it already sounds super cool, and we're almost done. One more thing I like to do is the chords itself already sound super cool. But we need to add a top melody, and not the melody itself, but this top section right here. I'm gonna use the GMS synth for it, whatever. So this is the melody you want to copy. And what you're gonna do is I just use a preset. It's all Michi's presets. Yeah, I'm lazy to sound design, so I just download the presets. Shout out Michi, guys, great YouTuber. So this is this. It's also, it sounds detuned, but that's because of the square oscillator and the saw oscillator combined. It sounds big, but also not big and detuned. So I'm gonna put up the balance, put down the balance a little bit. And then I'm gonna get rid of the reverb, because I don't like the reverb on here. What you're gonna do is do the same, boost the high frequencies. Yeah, they're not really low frequencies. Put it on the sidechain master, of course, and distort it a little bit. Okay, so make a stereo, or wait, we're gonna do something cool. Chorus, yes, makes it stereo and makes it more wide. If we combine the chords with this top melody, you get this. Yeah, it just gives more high end, I guess. But then we need to get rid of every single. Like that. So with the white noise combined. And everything combined, it should sound like this. And maybe I put it a little bit too much high end on the top bass. So yeah, this is basically how to make some good, some really nice chords. I've used these techniques in around about every project I use powerful chords. So yeah, it's just a combination. It's not only the chords, it's the combination with the bass and white noise, and just playing around a bit, and that's basically it. So this is the final result, I guess. It's really cool what you can do with just your phone. I'm using the desktop version, but you can do this on your phone as well. So yeah, that's basically everything I've got for today. If you found this helpful, if you think this was a great video, please leave a like. If you want to, please leave a sub. That's also very helpful. Click on bell notifications. Yes, the bell notifications. We're gonna go for Bell Squad. Get notified every time I get a video, and you can be the first one to watch it. So that's pretty cool, I guess. I'll see you guys in a bit. Take care. Bye bye.